Hey, if you're looking for a nice clean cable clip, here you go. Shark tooth, they are pretty wicked. Got all those nice teeth. All you do is put you a 1/4-inch hole in anything. I mean, you can do it in wood or particle board or brick or anything. 1/4-inch hole in anything. Squeeze it, push it right in, and use anything as a hammer, obviously. And there you go, nice, clean finish. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Feel free to like and subscribe. If you've got a YouTube channel, give me the link. I'll subscribe to you too. Let's keep this little community going. See you guys later. Have a good day.